Hey friends, it's Min here, back with another tutorial video. This time I'm showcasing some of the newest stamps from Paper Sweeties. Our release went live in the store yesterday, so if you haven't gotten them yet, go grab them. I'm going to be showing you how to create your own designer paper using the new Pretty Posies stamp set. Okay, so I'm going to set this card aside for while we are creating our paper. I'm using 3 colors today. I've got Coastal Cabana, Poppy Parade, and Green Galore. They're all from Stampin' Up! I do believe Green Galore and Poppy Parade are no longer available. Sorry about that, but you could find ones that are similar. We have so many inks available to us now. The first step that I did when making my card was I started by stamping my daisy image in the Coastal Cabana or whatever light blue green you have. And the one thing you're going to want to remember as you stamp is you're going to want to do it in a visually pleasing way, so groups of 3 usually. And you're going to want to leave lots of room because you're going to be eventually adding leaves in, okay? So it looks like there's not a whole lot of blue flowers on there, but we're going to be adding so many other things to it that is the right amount, okay? And I kind of smudged right there, but that's okay. We're going to leave that for now. Okay. Next, I'm going to take this beautiful, what I'm calling the rosebud image, because I think it looks like a rose that's opening. We're going to add a few of those. 1. Down here. And then 1 up here. So like I said, you can see that I kind of stamped sets of 3, kind of triangle-ish. And I know that at this point it looks pretty bare and you're kind of like, that doesn't look so good. But it's okay because we're going to fill the rest in with leaves, okay? So like I said, step 1, groups of 3. Step 2, leave lots of room so that when we come in with our little leaf image, we'll have room for him. All right, so I'm going to ink this up with some green. And I'm going to start stamping my leaves where I kind of think they need to go. This is kind of hard to see and do while I'm videotaping. But I'm kind of rotating the leaves. And I'm also rotating which flowers I'm putting them on because I want all the flowers to have leaves, not just some of them. And if you start with just one flower, you're going to end up with some flowers that have no leaves, and that's not fair to them because they need the leaves. So I'm just going to continue to do this until my paper is filled up in the way that I think looks best. And this is really like up to you. How many leaves you want, how bare or how full you want it to be. And if there's little places that you really don't like because they're looking way too bare, you can always go in with smaller images and add little details to those afterwards too. You could even add little embellishments. On my card I added some sequins to the centers of the flowers. You could also add those into your actual paper. Okay. I know what I want to do. I want to do one right over here, like that. Okay, so now I've finished that. This would be ready to add a sentiment. Since I messed up right there, like I could put a strip of paper across here for a sentiment. I could mat that and use that as my card focal panel. Like I said on here, I added some cookie dough sequins to the centers of the blue. You could add glitter, you could add sequins, you could add enamel dots, you could add rhinestones, whatever you want to jazz this up and make it look perfectly like something you made. So pretty quick, pretty simple, not as hard as you might think it is. I hope that you take some time today to craft. I hope you go over to papersweeties.com and grab the Pretty Posies set. It has a coordinating die set, which makes things a lot easier. And there are 2 other products that are being released, the Garden Time stamps and Garden Time die cuts as well, which coordinate with this Pretty Posies set. Until next time, hugs and happy stamping to you all. See you soon.